Today on Boston Girl Bakes, I'm going to show you how to make this super simple treacle tart dessert. This is an impressive looking dessert, but it couldn't be simpler to make. It has a shortbread cookie crust and an easy filling made on the stovetop. So let's get baking. Let's make this treacle tart. It starts by making a simple shortbread cookie crust by combining flour, granulated sugar, and a little bit of salt. I'm using my stand mixer, but you could definitely use a hand mixer for this. Give that a little bit of a whisk together and then add in some vanilla for flavor and add in softened unsalted butter. You can use salted butter, but I would then omit the added salt. Give that a beat to combine. It'll come together like a soft sugar cookie dough. Once you've got that mix to combine, we're going to press this in to a 9-inch tart pan. I'm just using my hands to press this in to the bottom and sides of the tart pan, but you could also use like the bottom of a measuring cup or drinking glass in order to press this in to your pan. Once you've got that all pressed in, you can go ahead and set this aside and we'll start working on our filling. For the filling, we're going to be making this on the stovetop in a saucepan, and this calls for golden syrup. I just found mine on Amazon. I'll link it below. If you can't find golden syrup, you could definitely substitute it with honey, which would be a great substitute. Maple syrup would be a little bit on the thinner side, so I wouldn't recommend it. You could also try using light or dark corn syrup, but it might not give you the true flavor that this treacle tart has. To that, you're going to add in some heavy whipping cream. I recommend heavy cream, not light cream or milk, because again, we want this to be a nice thick filling. Then you're adding in some breadcrumbs and lemon juice and some added flavors, the lemon zest, and 1 large room temperature egg. You can just go ahead and stir that all together. Now, some of these ingredients might seem a little bit different to you if you've never made a tart like this, but it comes together really simple into this easy pourable filling. You're going to bring it to a gentle boil on medium heat, stirring it constantly, and then reduce the heat and cook it for an additional about 2 minutes and then remove it from the heat. The mixture you'll find will thicken slightly as it cools. Then you're going to pour this mixture into that prepared shortbread crust and place it into your preheated oven. You'll bake at 375 for about 25 to 30 minutes until your filling has nicely browned and the crust has a nice golden color. To release the tart, this is my little trick for you. I place the tart pan on top of a drinking glass so that way I can just easily remove the sides of the tart pan, leaving the removable bottom. Before serving, I like to simply just give it a dusting with powdered sugar for just a simple presentation and a little extra sweetness. You could also serve it with a scoop of whipped cream or vanilla ice cream, and that's it. It's a super simple, easy dessert to make. This treacle tart is a sweet, sticky, nutty British dessert. I made it inspired by my love for the Harry Potter movies. It has this wonderful jammy texture, and the golden syrup gives it this flavor sort of similar to toffee with a little bit of a butterscotch kick to it. If you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. And be sure to hit the subscribe button to never miss another easy baking tutorial and recipe video. And until next time, happy baking.